This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Vickie Perkins. Country living close to ANACOCO Lake on 3 acres. Offering a well-thought-out kitchen with wood cabinets and a quaint breakfast nook. The freshly painted interior of the split floor plan offers privacy for both the homeowner and the guests. New roof in 2021. Check out the abundance of outside storage, 2 buildings with electricity and a 3-stall barn with tack room, the perfect spot for your farm animals. The spacious back porch and secluded backyard are both perfect for relaxation. The keys are waiting for you to 149 Methodist Landing Road. For more information, review the details below.